So who can qualify for refinance? It would be anyone that is earning a fixed salary of a minimum of 8,500 Rand per month upwards. The vehicle that is being refinanced or financed must not be older than 2010. Vehicles that can be financed are cars, bakkies, motorbikes and caravans. And the vehicle that's being financed must not be a code 3. What that means is the vehicle must be roadworthy and not be a rebuild. Vehicles cannot be financed that have been stolen and recovered. Also, the candidate must have a clear credit record, so no judgments. The candidate mustn't have too many personal loans and not be too credit active. Candidates must also have a South African valid driver's license and or South African bike license. If you are interested in maybe considering a non-obligation quote from us, where we could do a credit score, a credit health check, you are welcome to click on the link below.